Hello, today we will guide you through how to link PayPal to System.io. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your PayPal account so you can start accepting payments through your funnels and offers. Make sure you're signed into the correct System.io workspace before we begin, and have your PayPal login details handy. Start on your System.io dashboard. If you're not already there after logging in, use the main navigation to open the dashboard. Look toward the top right of the screen for your account profile icon. This may show your avatar or your initials. Hover your mouse over that icon to reveal the account menu. If you're on a smaller screen or using touch, tap the icon to open the same menu. From the menu, click Settings. This takes you to your account settings area. On the settings page, locate Payment Gateways. The wording may appear as Payment Gateways or Payment Settings depending on your view, but you're looking for the section that manages payment providers. Click to open it. You'll see a list of available gateways. Find PayPal and click Connect. When you do, System.io will open a secure window to PayPal. Follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll log into the PayPal account you want to receive payments with. For best results, use a PayPal business account, as many e-commerce integrations require it for full functionality. After logging in, review the permissions that System.io is requesting. These allow the two platforms to communicate for things like processing payments and confirming transactions. Approve or authorize the connection to continue. Once you confirm, PayPal will redirect you back to System.io. Give the page a moment to update. You should now see PayPal marked as connected in the Payment Gateways section. If it doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page. That's it. The connection is established. A few quick tips if something doesn't go as expected. Disable any pop-up blockers temporarily, since the PayPal window may open in a new tab or pop-up. Make sure you're connecting the correct PayPal account, especially if you manage multiple accounts in the same browser. If prompted for additional verification, complete those steps within PayPal and return to System.io to finish. If you accidentally connected the wrong account, you can disconnect from the same Payment Gateways area and repeat the process with the correct one. Finally, ensure your PayPal account is verified and able to accept payments in the currencies you plan to use. You're all set. With PayPal connected to System.io, you can confidently accept payments in your funnels and offers. Thanks for following along, and happy building.